What's going on YouTube? Skiz1 here. I'm making a really quick, scrappy sort of video. I get a lot of questions sometimes. People saying, oh, I'm nervous to buy from you just because, like, shipping. What if stuff doesn't get to me? What if it's damaged? You know how the mail people are, and the mail people do suck. So I want to show you how I pack stuff here. So I got a nice order going out tomorrow morning. So here's how I pack my stickers. I got bags. Nothing's gonna go missing out of there. I just throw them in bags, make sure they're secure. This is a canvas right here. So I got tougher cardboard to make sure there's no puncture holes in it. It's all wrapped to make sure nothing rubs on it, anything like that. So you get good protection when you buy a canvas. I have some more stickers stuck in there. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, bigger stickers get stuck in there as well, just to keep them flat, things like that. Here I also have, you can't tell, but there's 3 posters in here. So posters get packaged up with extra harder cardboard just to make sure, again, nothing gets damaged. And of course, bubble wrap bag. So when I ship, things don't go wrong. I ship well. So if you want to buy something, you can trust me, I swear. Yeah, that's just quick little upload. I got way more coming. You guys know it's gonna be pumping out real soon. Let me know what you want to see. Write in the comments. Until my next video, rate, comment, subscribe. Peace.